In this video, we will show you how to interface SR04 Ultrasonic Sensor with TM4C123 Tiva C Launchpad. SR04 is a contactless ultrasonic base distance or range measurement sensor. It provides an output signal in the form of active high signal. And the duration for which the output signal remains high depends on the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the object under test. Therefore, by measuring the time for which this signal remains active high, we can measure distance. Furthermore, the timer modules of the TM4C123 microcontroller provide an input capture mode that can be used to measure pulse duration or time between events. Therefore, we will use TM4C123 timer in input edge time mode. To measure the time duration of the output signal, of the SR04 sensor. This figure shows the pinout diagram of the SR04 ultrasonic sensor. It consists of 4 pins. 2 of them are power supply pins, such as +5 volt and ground pin. The other 2 pins are trigger and echo pin. The echo output pulse pin is used to get output from the sensor. Trigger pin is used to initiate the sensor to start ranging. One important point to note here is that this sensor does not work properly on 3.3 volts power supply. TM4C123 Tiva Launchpad does not have onboard 5 volts signal. Therefore, you must connect an external 5-volt supply to power SR04. Otherwise, the sensor will not work properly. Now let's see the working of ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, this sensor consists of one ultrasonic transmitter circuit and one ultrasonic receiver circuit. The ultrasonic transmitter circuit converts the electrical signals into 40 kHz ultrasonic sound waves. On the other hand, an ultrasonic receiver listens to these ultrasonic sound waves. And if the receiver circuit receives these ultrasonic sound waves, it produces a pulse on the output pin. The width of this pulse or pulse duration can be used to measure the distance. The time duration for which the output signal remains high depends on the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the object under test. Greater the distance, the higher the time it will take by the ultrasonic wave to reflect back to the receiver circuit. Therefore, by measuring this time we can measure the distance between the sensor and the object. This example code measures the distance using the SR04 ultrasonic range sensor. It displays the measured distance value on the computer using the UART communication module of TM4C123. Timer 0A is used to measure distance by measuring the pulse duration of the echo output signal. Timer 1A is used to make a precise microsecond delay function. To see the hardware demo, make connections of SR04 ultrasonic sensor with TM4C123 Tiva Launchpad according to this schematic diagram. Also, connect Tiva Launchpad with computer through USB to serial converter. Now upload this code to Tiva Launchpad. After that, press the reset button on Launchpad. Now open the serial monitor by selecting the COM pin to which USB to serial converter is connected through the UART5 module of TM4C123 MCU. You will get the distance measurements on the serial monitor. Thanks for watching this video. For download resources for this project, check the link given in the description of this video.